So, welcome to this video where we'll create the worksheets now, the Snowflake worksheets for creating the user and the roles. So, I will actually paste in the code from the lecture notes as we've already gone through how to create the user and roles. And I will just go through it. So, I paste it in, and here we see we start using the user admin. And then we create this job ads DLT role. And we create a user called extract loader. You might have done this in previous lecture. However, it won't, if you didn't, then this will create one. If it did, we have this if not exists. So it will just jump over it. And then we change the role to security admin, and with this we can give privileges, so we can give different grants. So we give this role, job ads DLT role, to extract loader. We grant the warehouse, dev warehouse, which we have created in previous lectures. We grant this database job ads to role, to this role, and then the staging to this role. And when I see this now, we see that we grant this database and this schema, but we don't have it yet, so we'll create it soon. However, let's see. Yes, we'll grant different usage on this schema. So it's basically the staging schema. We give it to the DLT role, which we give to the user extract loader, right? And here is some, we show them, and we also grant this role to your own user so that you actually can check that the data has been loaded. Yes. So then we create the other worksheet here. Oh, before that, I will also say that this is, I simplify it now, but for you could put this into another SQL script, which is called setup user. I did it in a previous lecture already. And you can git ignore it so that the credentials don't get the version controlled. So I just do this to not overcomplicate it too much here. Yes. So I will create another script here. Set up database.sql like this. And I will use the role sysadmin, change language to Snowflake on this one, and then I'll create the database. Create database if not exists. Job ads like this, and create schema if not exists. Job ads staging like this. So now I have created the database job ads, and I've created the schema. So then I can move on to I will save this one, and then move on to set up the user. So now this should work. So I'll run all of them, execute all statements. So here we see there are 16 statements that needs to be executed. Yes, statement executed successfully. We can actually show some grants first. So show grants on schema job ads.staging. We need to check that this works first. Go up here. And we see that, okay, create table for this role, and we have usage for this role. Okay, good. We can show the future schemas, because we do need to create table. We have delete, insert, and update. to this role, right? And we can show grants to this role. And here we see all the grants that have been shown, granted. So it has dev warehouse as well. And we can check show grants to user extract loader. And we can see that it has gotten this role. So it has this job ads DLT role. So this should work. In the next video, I will go into DLT.